Hello guys! In this video, we will show you simple and profitable mini production ideas for Amazon. You can start these business ideas with minimal investment from home. Flower light fixtures. We're talking about light fixtures, night lights and floor lamps in the form of flowers, which are made of isolon, China perfume or other similar material. This is a great example of a product which is easy to make and shows a high demand. You can buy everything you need for this mini production at a hardware store: sheets of isolon, metal-reinforced plastic pipes, wires and light bulbs. First, the petals are cut from isolon, dyed and shaped with a hot air gun. The petals are then glued around the light bulb to create a flower. The flower is attached to a stem made from a metal-reinforced plastic pipe. The finished product is treated with a dust-proof agent. Shaped chocolate. We're talking about creation of chocolate gift sets. This business idea involves the creation of chocolate in any shape that allows you to cover a variety of areas, whether it be certain holidays, people of certain professions, or corporate gifts niche. Well, most importantly, the day margin of such a business is about 500%, and you can start your mini production even at home. The manufacturing process itself is not complicated. The chocolate is melted, poured into plastic molds. After cooling, it is colored with food coloring. Then we wrap it up and sell it on Amazon or on social media. Corner floor lamps. At the time this product was launched, there was a very high demand for it. The wow effect is no longer there, but there is still a demand for these RGB floor lamps. Actually, it is not surprising. They look bright and create a cozy atmosphere in the room. The manufacturing of such floor lamps is also not very complicated. You order an RGB cable strip with a controller and glue it into a metal or plastic case. The main issue is the choice of materials for making the case. In an article on our website, we have posted a video tutorial on how to create such floor lamps from plastic pipes. Car scents. Another promising area with high demand is the car scents niche. They are also relatively simple to manufacture. Scents can be manufactured in a variety of ways. One option is to use sheets of so-called beer mud cardboard as the basis. Various images are printed on the sheet, then the sheet is cut up, impregnated with flavoring and sealed in a bag. Another option is to make reusable felt scents. To make them, CNC machines are used to cut case blanks out of sheets of plywood. Felt is then glued between these blanks. Subsequently, fragrance oil, liquid fragrances of perfumes, are dripped onto such a scent. Another option is scents in bottles with a wooden lid, which absorbs the fragrance and leaves the fragrance in the air. To manufacture such scents under your own brand, we buy blanks in bulk in the form of bottles and fill them with different fragrances. 3D stickers. These are souvenir products in the form of three-dimensional stickers that are used for branding, sticking on household appliances, notebooks, laptops or phones, which is the most common. Such products are also sold on Amazon and surprisingly have been in demand for a long time. The main audience is teenagers who put stickers on their phones with different slogans, favorite actors, singers, characters or car brands. Setting up a mini production of 3D stickers can be done at home. First, the images are printed on a self-adhesive film, then laminated and cut to contour. All this can be done in any printing house. An epoxy resin is then applied to the entire sticker area with a syringe. After the product dries, it is ready to be shipped to the customer. See the full video tutorial in the description. Painting by numbers. This is a favorite activity of creative girls and housewives. These products shows especially high sale during lockdowns. The product consists of a set, paints, brushes and canvas, on which the picture is divided into many small fragments. Each fragment has its own number. These numbers are also indicated on the paint pots. So by painting each piece with the right color, even a person who cannot paint creates a masterpiece worthy of being hung on the wall. For making such paintings, one would need Adobe Illustrator, with the help of which any photo or image can be broken into fragments and numbered in colors. The resulting layout is then printed on canvas using a printer and stretched over a wooden frame. Also, buy a lot of tubes of paint in different colors and fill them in small pots for each painting. Add brushes, and the set is ready to be shipped to the customer. Neon signs and nightlights. This product is also in good demand. It has a relatively low production cost and a high markup. To manufacture neon signs and nightlights, you will need substrate. Acrylic is most commonly used, neon strip and power supply. To give a certain shape to the substrate, a template is made in AutoCAD. It is then loaded onto a milling machine and cut out. Next, the neon strip is cut and glued to the substrate according to the pattern. On the backside of the substrate, all the parts of the strip are soldered and connected to the power supply. After packing, we send it to the customer. See the full video tutorial in the description. Plaster figures and planters. This business idea is based on the manufacture of beautiful plaster figures and planters. These products look very aesthetic and stylish in the interior. Also, plaster products are used to create light fixtures and night lights. There is nothing complicated in their manufacturing process. Plaster is poured into silicone molds, dried and painted. We have posted a detailed video tutorial in our website article. The molds themselves can either be made by yourself or purchased from current craftsmen or even on Amazon. Decorative candles. Because of the similarity of the processes, a full-fledged addition to the plaster figure business will be the manufacturing of decorative candles. This mini production can be combined in one workshop and sold to the same audience on marketplaces. Aroma candles are made in different shapes by pouring them into silicone molds, glass containers, or decorative bowls are made for them from the same plaster. Car steering wheel desks. This is a product with a potentially huge audience. Perhaps every driver occasionally has to write something down or have a snack right in the car. By taking the steering wheel desk out from under the seat, you can do it much easier. Desks can be made of plastic or wood. The easiest option is to outsource the work to nearby carpentry shop and take care of the sales yourself. Kitchen robots. Ventilation equipment. Robot wives. Vent bots. Harvesting drones. Robot masseurs. Lawn robots. IQ boat. Robot cafe. Robotic car washes. Cocktail makers. Robot waiters. Spray drones. Warehouse robots. Drone taxis. Robot builder. Robotic restaurants. Robot gardener. Exoskeletons. 3D printing at home in 24 hours. Painting and plastering robot. Brillmeyer farming equipment. Ping-pong coach robot. Wall printing robot. Robots for windows.